Good afternoon class. Today we are going to start the unit number 7th of mathematics class 10th. So class, previously we had studied about the unit number 8th and 9th in detail. Today we will discuss about the unit number 7 with the basics. So class, in this unit there are three formulas. One formula is distance formula, other is section formula, and third one is area of triangle. Out of three formula, one formula, that is area of triangle, is deducted from particular syllabus. So class, in this unit we will discuss only two formula. One is distance formula and other is section formula. So class, what does the coordinate means? First of all, look here, it's a graph. This is the x coordinate and this is y axis, you can say y coordinate. If I am mentioning this point 1, 2, 3 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, whatsoever we can decide according to given question. So class, if the coordinate, let's assume it's a 2 and it's a 3. So a 2 goes to the 3 and 3 goes to the 2. So the point comes, that is 2, 3, जिसमें 2 क्या है, x है और 3 क्या है, y. सो कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम क्या है हमारा, x, y का है. अब क्लास मान लीजिए वन मोर कोऑर्डिनेट इज देयर, दैट इज 1, 4, 1, 4. X axis it's a 1 and on y axis it is a 4. You need to find out, I assume it is A, it is B, and what's the question is demanding, that find out the distance between A and B. Find out the distance between A and B. Now class, this is the distance AB. So class, how we will find out the distance? Now look here, the formula, that is distance formula of AB is equals to root of, what is root? This one I will consider it as x1, y1 and this I will consider it as x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Got it class? Now, what is x2? Look here, what is x2? x2 is 2. So 2 minus, what is x1? x1 is 1. So 1 whole square plus, again y2, what is y2? It's a 3 minus, what is y1? y1 is 4 का whole square. So 2 minus 1 का whole square, it's a 1 का square plus 3 minus 4, it's a minus 1 का whole square. So class, square of 1 is always 1 and square of minus 1, again it's a 1. How? Minus 1 into minus 1, it can minus plus 1 into 1, 1. It's a 1. Got it class? Now it's a root 2. Now class, as you know that distance is always measured in centimeter, meter or kilometer. So in this question nothing is given to us which type of unit you have to use. So simply write it here, it's a unit. जब कुछ नहीं दे रखा, so I will write it here as a unit. और कुछ नहीं लिखना, ठीक है? This is all about the distance formula. This is all about the distance formula class. Is that out class? Take the screenshot. 1, 2, 3, rough. Now class, what is the question? This is all about the basic of the distance formula. Now what is the question? For example, what is saying? Find the distance between point A, that is 2, 1, point A, that is 2, 1 and point B, that is 3, 2. We need to find out the distance between A and B. So class, I will write here, A is, it's a 2, 1 and B is, it's a 3, 2. Got it? So I need to find this. Now class, applying distance formula. By distance formula, ठीक है, that is AB is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now what is x2? x2 is 3 minus x1 is 2 का whole square What is y2? y2 is 2 minus 1 का whole square. So class 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 का whole square plus 2 minus 1 is 1 का whole square. It's again class square of 1 is always 1, square of again 1 is, that is I write here 1 plus 1, it's a root 2, again class it's a unit. Isn't doubt class? Now class, this unit is divided in, this exercise is divided in three parts. One is you need to find out the distance. Other, you have to prove the quadrilaterals, whether it is a given quadrilateral is a square, rectangle, parallelogram, or you can say rhombus. Okay, and third is if the points are equidistant. If the points are equidistant, so I'm going to rub this, please take a screenshot. Okay. Now, exercise 7.1 is divided in three parts. One is direct questions. Direct, you need to find distance. Second, need to prove. What? One is either the points are collinear. What is the point meaning of collinear? Collinear means this is a line, this is a point A, this is point B, and this is point C. All 3 points are lying in the same line. So if you find the distance AB, if you find the distance BC, or we find the distance AC, then it should be that AC equals to AB plus BC. Got it? अगर कॉलिनियर है, कॉलिनियर मीन्स कि सारे पॉइंट्स एक ही लाइन में लाई कर रहा है. सो ए बी आप निकालोगे, बी सी आप निकालोगे, फिर ए सी निकाल दोगे. तो अगर ए बी प्लस बी सी इज इक्वल्स टू ए सी हो रहा है, देन वी कैन से डेट ए बी और सी पॉइंट्स क्या है, कॉलिनियर है. एनी डाउट क्लास? नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन. सेकेंड, नीड टू प्रूव क्वाड्रिलेटरल. एंड क्लास क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज, what does the quadrilateral means 4-sided polygon. 4-sided polygon, that is A1 is rectangle, B1 is square, C1 is parallelogram, and D1 is rhombus. And class, what's the condition? That in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So class, we will discuss in the question. Now third type is if the points are collinear. If the points are equidistant. If the points are equidistant. So class, what does equidistant mean? Equidistant means I assume that this is the point O, this is the point A, and this is point the B. If the distance between O and A, that is OA, O and B, OB, equal. If the distance between OA and OB are equal, then points are said to be, equidistant. Equidistant means equal distance पे पड़े हैं, कोई भी दो पॉइंट है किसी भी एक पार्टिकुलर थर्ड पॉइंट से. ठीक है, कोई डाउट इसमें? ये है एक्सरसाइज 7.1 का ओवरव्यू. एक एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं तीनों के, उसके बाद हम इसको दी एंड करेंगे. ठीक है, क्लास इंटरप्ट. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन that is direct, we have to find out. Now second is if the points, check whether the points, any of the point you can take, that is 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4 are collinear. So class, collinear means that all 3 points should be in a line. All 3 points should be in a line. Now I assume this is A, this is B, and this is C. Got it class? Now distance AB we will find first of all. It's root of, what is this? 2 x2 it is, x2 minus x1, so 2 minus 1 का whole square plus 3 minus 2 का whole square. It's a, so what are coordinate class? Coordinate is 1 comma 2 in this case and b is 2 comma 3. These 2 points are there. Now it's a 1 ka square plus it's again 1 ka square, so it's a root 2 unit. Now distance BC, BC for B is 2 comma 3 and C is 3 comma 4, that is BC equals to root of 3 minus 2 का whole square and 4 minus 3 का whole square. So I am writing here. So BC is equals to, what is 3 minus 2 is 1 square, it's a root, again 4 minus 3 is again 1 square, so it's a root 2 unit. Got it? Now third one is AC. So AC is equals to root of, again what is A? A points are 1 comma 2 and C are 3 comma 4. It's 3 minus 1 का whole square plus 4 minus 2 का whole square. So 3 minus 1 is 2 का whole square, 4 minus 2 is again 2 का whole square. It's a 4 plus 4, that is, you can say 8. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So root, out of root there should be a pair, so 2 will come out and 1 2 will remain inside. So it's a dimension of AC. Got it, class? So I'm going to rub this part. I'm writing here. For collinear, point A, B and C, AB is root 2, BC is root 2 and this is 2 root 2. Any doubt, class? Now for AC is equals to AB plus BC. What is AB? AB is root 2. What is BC? BC again it is a root 2. What is AC? It's a 2 root 2. So class, if this is common, then we can write 2 root 2, 1 plus 1, 2 and root 2 is common. So if these are equal, then we will cite A, B, C are collinear. And out, class? So class, this is the second type. And now next part we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.